FineTech Tooling's foundation goes back in 1995 when entrepreneur Mr.Manjunath engaged himself in the manufacturing, supplying, and exporting a wide range of boring tools, boring bars, boring heads, and accessories by a state-of-the-art manufacturing unit with high-tech machines and instruments that help to achieve cost-effective production. Being an ISO 9001-2015 certified organization, FineTech focus on quality aspects of the products and the services they offer. FineTech products are industry-specific in nature and are in conformance to the international quality standards.
We at FineTech Tooling have a great passion for technology, engineering. We have developed very highly complicated components and precise components and have been supplying for almost 25 years to developed markets in Japan and Europe.
FineTech has a client-centric approach and strives to provide high-quality products and services to its clients. And over the years, their product quality has helped FineTech to stay ahead from its competitors in the market. It has special CAD and CAM facilities for designing and developing prototypes of the actual products.
Hi, I'm R.K. Poi, Managing Director of Spurti Machine Tools Private Limited. We are doing lots of boring. Earlier we were using TESA and other tools. We tried with the FineTech tools. They are working good. We are happy with the performance.
Quality testing department has facilities like CMM from TESA, Switzerland, and Trimos Height Master to ensure there are no shortcomings.
And I believe that we in FineTech can also improvise our infrastructure, build upon our skills, and become a global supplier, not only through these 8 countries which we have been doing, but also throughout the world.
FineTech has a wide distribution network which help deliver the products on time in the domestic as well as international market. FineTech makes sure the team FineTech feels appreciated and valued, empower its employees to a work environment that is conducive to creating the optimal work-life balance.
I am Kumaraswamy, working as a factory manager. I am at FineTech for the past 26 years. Since company started, I had wonderful opportunity to learn and grow with the company.
I am Panchakshari. I started with this company in 1999 as a 3D programmer and became a design in charge. Contributed my bit to grow the company. And I believe that FineTech is a great place for employees with high values.
I like being part of the company.
We all work together like a big family.
We work at a place where there is a trust, cooperation, safety, risk-taking support, accountability and equity.
I would like to say it's a very great place to learn and work.
Engineering is all about doing.